Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Google Classroom tutorials. In video, I will show you how to add the students in the Google Classroom. We have created a classroom for 10th. Let's click on it to open. Here we can add the students in two ways, either sending the classroom code showing here to the students that we want to give the access to the session so that they can join the classroom simply by entering this code, or we can type the emails of each student and invite them. For that, click on people tab showing on the top. Here we will get two sections, teachers and students. Suppose if you want to add some other guest teacher details, you can click on invite teachers, and here please type the name or email address of the teacher so that they can also use all the features except deleting this classroom. Next, let's add some students. Click on invite students, type the name or email address of the student. Automatically it will search the results for the text entering here. After entering all the email IDs, simply click on invite. Then the students in this list will get an email with a joining link in it. Let's check that also in another browser. I will show you by login with one of the students' email, and here they got the invitation from the teacher Rabnar Menchu. Open the email they got, and here they will get a link. Click on join. You have been invited to join 10th. You are signed in as Menchu Nageshwar 1981 @gmail.com. Click on join, and they can automatically enter the classroom we created and able to use the material we added. Similarly, let's join the classroom using the classroom code. Simply copy this code, come to the student's email ID, click on plus sign showing next to grid icon. In this, please select to join class. Here we need to paste the code and click on join, and they can automatically enter the classroom we created by entering simply the code we have sent to them. And after this, we can also sort the student email IDs. For that, again come to people, click on AZ, and we can sort by surname or first name. I'm selecting sort by first name. Similarly, select sort by surname. Like this, we can add the students in the Google Classroom. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.